Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a mid-month love check-in for you. So Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, okay? So take what works for you, leave the rest. This card just pushing itself out, which is the King of Swords. Let's keep him here and continue. So dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So let's begin. Aquarius, thank you. And the good news is, in less than 3 months, our channel has grown over 1,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful to all your love. I'm so grateful, you don't even know. Thank you. Just a heartfelt thank you to all of you. And if you're new here, do join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for every zodiac sign, for love readings, monthlies, mid-monthlies. Cut it one more time. And love readings, I even did a money and work at the suggestion of one of our subscribers. And yes, please join us. We'd love to have you with us. We welcome you in. And so if you're new here, Aquarius, 2 sets of cards, one for you, one for your person. And in the center, I have your mutual energies. So I'll be referring, so one side is person A and the other is person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? So let's begin. For person A, I have the Temperance, okay? 5 of Swords, right beside Temperance, okay? 2 of Pentacles, the Fool, the Empress, and Justice. Person 2 has Knight of Cups, Page of Swords, 10 of Swords, Page of Wands, King of Wands, and the Sun. Was there a rift recently with this King of Swords, Aquarius? But wanting to come out of this isolation and quiet space now. So let's start with person A, Aquarius. Person A was wanting to bring some kind of balance, start something new. What's this Temperance card, Spirit, for? This is a committed relationship, okay? So this is a committed relationship which was pretty stable. It was quite balanced in the past. And could be a marriage. Or... Spirit, some clarification, please. What happened here suddenly with the 5 of Swords? Somebody tried to play mind games on this one person, and the person who was being played upon was this Empress. This Empress was doing her best, okay? This Empress was trying to keep balance in the this dynamic. She was trying to, have a stable beginning with the person B. She was very committed, she was abundant, she was loving, caring, but somebody here played her and upset her, made her feel small. Yes, something came to an end here with this fight. There was some mind manipulation which happened. Somebody was made to feel not good enough maybe, and that led to this is the feminine energy, having a lot of stress and worry, a lot of sleepless nights. And I think she kind of she felt rather foolish, she felt really foolish, and she almost came to a point where she said, I'm dropping this relationship altogether and I don't want to have, she felt foolish. And she decided, see, the Fool is being clarified by the Fool in upright. So I think she's saying, I'm going to go and have a fresh new beginning for myself. I don't care about, what you do, what you don't do anymore, because I was trying my best here. And you kind of played me. and I'm going to drop this, and you don't make a fool of me. Now I'm going to be this Empress in reverse. Earlier, the Empress started out as in the upright, right? Being very loving, caring, stable, bringing stability into the dynamic. Now she's kind of in the reverse, where she says that I'm not. I want justice for myself. I won't be treated like a fool, and I'm no longer going to give all of myself. She has a lot of regrets, and she's very, very upset and sad here of whatever somebody did in the past to her. She's almost thinking of bringing this chapter to a close, okay, if justice is not brought to the equation, because she's right now in this mode of regret and sadness. So what's the justice card, Spirit? The whole problem here, Aquarius, with person A, whether this is you or person B, person A, as much as they are trying to get over whatever has been done, they are still very wrapped up in their past. Okay, there's a lot of attachment to the past, and best thing is there's also a lot of love here. There's a lot of love and attachment to this past person, who I think is this King of Swords, who kind of played this Empress, right? So they don't know now what to do. Spirit, anything else? What is this Justice card then? What is this Justice card? There is a lot of love here. And what is this Justice card? Yeah, there's a little bit of indecision here. Little bit of indecision here. Should I return to the past? Because there is a lot of love here, but somebody is being a bit sneaky and playing me, so it's giving me stress as well. I don't want to give my love, but I love the person. So a lot of indecision with this Queen going on. Let's see person B. Person B has been keeping a watch on person A, because person A is their wish fulfillment. Okay, person B also loves person A a lot. Okay, so they have been wishing upon a star that this Queen never leaves me, doesn't put an end to this situation. They want to come towards this Queen, this Empress, with a cup of love, an apology, and they want to have a passionate new start with. If something has gone wrong, they are worried that she's going to walk away. They're trying to do anything in their power to manifest something that can maybe give them a stable new beginning again with this Empress. They're very fearful and very worried that somebody is going to walk away from this equation. So, Spirit, can I have a card for the Knight of Cups? What apology or love offer is this person thinking of giving? What's on their mind, person B's mind? What's on person B's mind here? Yeah, they want to bring back justice. Just as the Empress wanted justice, this masculine also wants to do the right thing by the Queen now, and he wants to bring back justice, because they realize that this Empress is their wish come true, and they want to do anything to manifest a stable new beginning again. They are afraid that this may come to a total stagnant halt. Their life may come to a halt if this Queen ever walks away from them. They're very worried about that. So now they want to be in this King of Wands energy. They want to have a passionate new beginning here. They want to move ahead with happiness. They have done a lot of reflection. Okay, they've thought about it. They understand exactly what they've done now. See, this is what the Queen was worried about, right? This is what the Queen was worried about, the Five of Swords, of how somebody played this Empress. They are now thinking, this person too is in deep thought. Oh my God, what did I do? I hurt the person I loved the most. I was this person. This person is thinking, I was this person who was sneaky and played mind games and hurt this this Empress of mine who was to be cherished. And if she ever leaves my life, I'll be devastated. So now they want to change gear totally and come across as this very stable, fun-loving, moving, a very happy person, and they want this happiness back with their empress. Okay, they just want to change the dynamic altogether from whatever they were doing. From being the king of swords, they want to now become the king of wands. Now, king of wands is passionate, he's fiery, fun-loving, gets jobs done, very progressive king. So let's have a card for the king of wands, please. Spirit, king of wands, sun again. See. They want to now regain some kind of control and power back into this relationship so that they can have this happiness. 2 cards, sun, 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 sun. This is what they want. They want to be back in, they want to be the emperor now to this empress. See, this is what they want to be, the emperor. And what was this feminine energy coming across as? The empress. So it's a very equal match. This king went a bit haywire for a little while. Okay, and that stressed this queen out, but I think this king, I think right on time, is realizing all the mistakes that were made and is now wanting to bring back happiness, joy, love, laughter, everything back into their relationship so they can experience this sun and happy place. Now, Aquarius, the sun is called the happiest card of the deck, and this emperor, wannabe emperor, is wanting to manifest a double sun. That much happiness they want to bring back into this equation. So that's a great thing. That's a very, very good thing. And they want to communicate with you. They want to communicate, have direct conversation with you, which is going to come fast. They want to bring some passion back. They want to have communication with you regarding all this conflict and whatever has happened between the two of you, which maybe both of you were in a stuck position till now. And they realize now, yes, they've been keeping a watch on you, and they've been seeing that you've been maybe, feminine has been very, very unhappy and not been giving of themselves so much. They desperately want the stability back in their life because they feel you are the perfect match, the emperor to the empress. And if they were not the emperor in the recent past, they have realized that you're the empress, feminine, and they want to match you step by step, at your equal level, and become the emperor for you. They want to do everything that they can to bring back happiness into this relationship. Excellent. So, mutual energy, 5 of Wands in reverse, end of conflict, Page of Cups, and the apology coming, and strength. Excellent cards. So, let's take clarifiers but one look at these cards, I feel, this is a mutual energy for both of you, Aquarius. I think there's going to be an end to all this fighting, end to conflict. There will be an apology coming to you soon, feminine. Whoever's made the mistake here, I think the masculine energy, male or female, is going to bring an apology, and you both are going to regain the control and strength back into this relationship in a very healthy way. Now let's take our clarifications. 5 of Wands, Spirit. Get ready, Aquarius. Lots of passion coming your way after all this conflict gets over. After all this heartbreak, heart pain, both of you have felt, I think you're both going to have some very, very straightforward conversations of all kinds. And there could be make-up sex as well, okay? So we get ready. So you guys are going to talk about this heartbreak, and you're going to end this conflict once and for all. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. King of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, so this masculine is going to come and apologize, and they will be very honest about the fact that without this queen, they don't feel stable at all in their life. They don't like the fact that the queen maybe is being a bit defensive and guarded against them, and her being in this mode leaves the king feeling very insecure and unstable. And because of that, this apology is going to be coming so that the queen can, kind of let down her defenses for this king now. So what's the strength card, Spirit, then? What's the strength card in their mutual energy? Oh, so nice, so nice. I need a thumbs up right now, Aquarius. Bottom of my deck. Wish fulfillment, emotional satisfaction. You know how it's coming? Because once you both gather up the strength to have this conversation and get back together, any confusion which was there in your relationship is going to be over. Okay? It's going to make both of you really happy. This is your mutual energy. And you get stability. Emotional satisfaction coming. Wow, beautiful. Let's see what the angels can bless you with. Angels, please bless my Aquarius with a lovely blessing card or advice from you. So Aquarius, the angels are saying if your life has been kind of stagnated in the love department, or things have not been moving at a fast pace or moving at all, just know and believe deep in your heart that it's all going to work out, and be prepared. There's a lot of movement coming. There's a lot of passionate movement coming, Aquarius. Okay, so lots of movement coming. Believe it that you can have this emotional satisfaction and happiness within your dynamic. And Spirit also says it's time to bring some sweetness back into your love life. Okay, so that's all I have for you. It's a beautiful reading. I'm very happy for you, Aquarius. Do like the video if you liked it. Okay, love and light. Take care. Namaste to all of you. See you next week.